Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Vikram Techco. Today we've got something special. I've got a gift idea that's going to level up their grooming game. Introducing the Park Avenue Luxury Grooming Collection 8-in-1 Combo Grooming Kit for Men. This kit is packed with everything you need for a smooth, stylish, and complete grooming experience. So, without further ado, let's dive right into this fantastic gift set. First of all, let's take a look at this beautifully designed gift set. The Park Avenue Luxury Grooming Collection comes with 8 essential grooming tools that are perfectly curated to make sure your man's grooming routine is nothing short of luxurious. And it's not just a grooming kit. It's a complete experience that makes for the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Now, let's break this down, shall we? What do we get in this incredible 8-in-1 combo? Inside the kit, you'll find everything from shaving foam, aftershave and a shaving brush to a razor and even a premium travel pouch. It's the perfect package for anyone who values a sharp, fresh look with minimal effort. Let's take a closer look at what you're getting. First up, you have the shaving foam. This isn't just any shaving foam. It's designed to provide a rich, creamy lather that softens facial hair and prepares your skin for a smooth shave. The foam has a refreshing scent, leaving you feeling invigorated every time you shave. Then, we have the shaving razor, a precision tool for that close shave every man wants. It's lightweight and ergonomic, making it super easy to handle and perfect for daily use. Next is the shaving brush, a tool that's soft and overlooked, but one that can make a huge difference. This brush helps to create the perfect lather and ensures an even, smooth shave. The bristles are soft and comfortable on the skin. After the shave, you need a good aftershave, and this one is excellent. It cools the skin and prevents irritation, while also giving you a fresh, masculine scent. It's perfect for keeping that positive glow. And that's just the start. The Park Avenue Luxury Grooming Kit also includes a shaving gel, a press-have oil, and a face wash, each specifically designed to rate, cleanse, and protect your skin. Whether he's someone who shaves daily or just on special occasions, this grooming kit covers all bases. One of the coolest features of this set is the travel pouch asterisk that comes included. It's not just functional, it's also stylish and durable. Ideal for men who travel often or like to keep their grooming products organized. The pouch fits everything you need, making it the perfect companion for any trip. Now, let me tell you why this makes for an ideal Valentine's Day gift. It's not just about giving him something he needs. It's about giving him an experience that shows you care. The Park Avenue Luxury Grooming Kit elevates his everyday routine. It's not just functional, it's a little luxury that he can enjoy each day. Imagine the smile on his face when he unwraps this beautiful gift on Valentine's Day. It's a thoughtful and practical gift that shows you pay attention to his needs. And trust me, he'll appreciate the attention to detail. Plus, let's be honest, we all want a little pampering every now and then. And this kit provides exactly that. And the best part, it's available right now. And there's a limited time offer for those of you who want to get a great deal. So, if you're looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift that combines luxury, practicality, and a little bit of indulgence, look no further than the Park Avenue Luxury Grooming Collection 8-in-1 Combo Grooming Kit for Men. I care about your well-being and your style. So, why not give him something he'll use every day and think of you every time he does? That's all for today's episode of. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and to grab this amazing grooming kit. I'll see you next time with more amazing product reviews. Take care. you.